Here's how to buy Toncoin using Tonkeeper. So for us to get started, the first thing that you are going to make sure is make sure you are using the right wallet. So I'm using wallet 2 in this case. Now I'm going to choose the buy option right here, and then you're going to go ahead and make sure that you are at the Toncoin or buy Ton option here at the top. Now I'm going to choose a Mercurio, but basically you have here these different options in buying Ton. Now for Mercurio, I'm going to click that one, and I should be redirected to the buying dashboard. Alright, here I am. Now what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and enter here the amount that you're going to be paying. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead and buy about $150 worth of Ton. So if I were to enter here $150, you should be able to see how much you are getting. And if you're okay with that, just go ahead and tap on the buy option down here. And what you're going to be doing is choosing between the different payment methods. I'm going to choose credit or debit card right here and tap the continue button down below. From this point forward, just go ahead and type your email. I'm going to go ahead and type here, say for example like that, and then I'm going to tap continue down here. Now what's going to happen is that it's going to send a code in your email in order to verify that you are indeed the one buying this one. And after doing so, you should be able to purchase right away. Now if your account, say for example, doesn't have any remaining balance, then it's going to be an error. But basically if there is remaining balance, then you should be able to go through with this smoothly. And that, everybody, is how easy it is to buy Toncoin using Tonkeeper.